This is a very short video to show you the difference in the size and also the yield between wild Beniano and this is Finca Chocolat from Belize. This is Zorzal from the Dominican Republic, and the Zorzal and the Finca Chocolat quite the same. Let me put them one to another. As you can see, size of the beans almost the same. This one has some very long ones, but I think the longest is 2.5 centimeters. And also look at this one, it's massive. To me, Finca Chocolat is an example of a cacao that is very easy to clean and produces a very high yield. And here is, you see some metrics for that. One, I'm roasting 2 pounds, 907 grams. Each time I get 3.6% here weight reduction due to the roast, and this is 740 clean, and then the rest is husk. So this is Finca Chocolat. I think this is as good as it can get, and as you can probably tell, I do this by hand. To me this is the best way, and also shows appreciation and attention and respect to the cacao which it deserves. For the Zorzal, 730 yield, so just 10 grams less. Also quite easy to clean, this one. And then here we come with the Beniano Volker's Cacao 2006 Beniano Tranquilidad. The bees are twice less the size of the Finca Chocolat, and I've managed to get a lot of them whole, but also a lot of them broke. It was much harder to clean. It took me at least twice as much time to clean this cacao, and the yield is not that bad. Okay, so I haven't seen before actual numbers, that's why actually I thought this might be helpful. So the yield is not that bad, but because I'm doing it by hand and extremely attentively to each bean, I've been envisioning how it, came from the jungles, and from Volker's estate, travel all the way to America, and then here to me in the UK. So I've been extremely attentive to each bean, and really appreciated its journey to me. So you see, first of all, it's interesting that with the roast I get 5.5% weight loss, which is about weight loss you would expect for a normal roast, but my roasts are light, so I get normally around 3.6-3.7% reduction. So here with the same, basically on the Be More Same program, I got to 5.5 reduction, and then I got 675 grams clean, 180 grams husk, and the husks I of course make cold infusion, cacao tea, and I'm not sure if I've mentioned this before, but every different cacao has a different flavor of the cacao tea, and they vary a lot. It's really exciting. So I hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.